you a question. How long have you had this Camaro for?
3 years.
3 years?
Yeah.
You bought it brand new, 0 miles?
0 miles.
How many miles does it have now?
26,000.
26,000 miles. What model Camaro is this?
The 6th gen, 19.
That's a 2019 6th gen, what, 1LE?
1LE, SS 1LE.
SS 1LE. Have you done anything to the car?
Stock.
It's completely stock?
Stock.
The only thing you have that are upgraded are the tires, right?
Tires, that's
Tires? What type of tires, Brian?
it. They're just regular street tires.
What brand?
Lexani, LX20.
Mucho macho?
It hooks, bro. I told you, these tires don't play, bro.
So he has Lexani tires. Alright guys, this is a Camaro, completely stock. We've been trying to review it for a while. This thing is mint condition. What do you have it on? What was it? The ceramic coating?
Ceramic coating.
Ceramic coating? Who did your ceramic coating?
Me, myself, and I.
You, yourself, and I.
Technic.
Alright. I'm going to post a link right here in the top right hand corner to his business. Right there. So you could click on it, and he doesn't work for free, guys. Before owning this car, what did you have?
2016 Mustang 5.0.
26. Was that car stock?
No, I had a straight pipe and I think a cold air intake.
And a tune?
No tune.
No tune. So straight pipe, cold air intake, no tune.
So it was extra slow.
Hello there. So, why did you trade it for this car? What made you go Chevy?
Better overall experience of a track car.
Oh, so you're looking more of a track overall, like a general track all around, not just a straight line car.
Good daily, good track car.
Okay. Has this car given you any problems?
Zero problems.
Zero problems? Well, that's not. You told me your radio wasn't working earlier.
Radio wasn't working. You're such a
I'm gonna beat that out. No cursing in my channel, Brian. Look at that limbo again. Brian, so this car has like a naturally burble tune, not from factory.
From factory. Sounds, yeah.
Can you show me what that sounds like?
How do you want me to show you that?
Demonstrate.
Alright, I guess we're gonna try that.
Very nice. Oh wow. And that's factory tune.
Factory.
That's factory tune. So this car has also a, what was it, no lift shift feature?
Lift shift feature.
Okay. We kind of saw a demonstration a little while back. I don't know how much of a no lift that was, but it shifted.
Such a thing.
It shifted. I'm
sorry, bro. I'm not a race car driver. Jesus.
I thought you had no lift shift. I guess you...
It is.
What is the top mile per hour you've been in this car?
155.
You've been 155. How long did it take you to get there? Longer than that thought.
No. It was quite.
Longer than that thought. You missed the exit.
It was quite a journey. It was quite a journey.
Well, that's what happens when you go from Chevy to Chevy from Ford. Anywho, I love this car. It's amazing. The features inside, the detail, the attention to detail. Who's it signed by?
Von Gideon Jr.
Why did he sign a Chevy car being a Ford driver?
It's the only Chevy car signed by him, and he's like one of my idols.
Wow. Okay. So did that raise the value, or you don't know?
I don't know. Probably lowered the value.
This car drives really nice. I test drove it myself. It corners amazing. It feels stiff and sturdy to the ground. It doesn't feel like it's loose anywhere. Completely stock, fun daily driver. I don't see why myself I wouldn't own this as a daily driver, and I'm a Ford guy myself. Give me a little. Very nice. Around the little review of the video. This car is amazing for being a factory car with nothing done to it. Hope to do more of these videos. Catch you on the next one. Say bye, Brian.
Peace out. Bye.
Boss. Let mode.